create a new file in our React app folder like so. Make sure it's not within another folder like one of these somewhere. And we're going to call this create component.cjs. And what CJS means is we're telling it that it needs to be part of the common JavaScript module, which is important to make this work. Once we have that created, I'm going to go ahead and paste the code again. This will be available through the source code in the GitHub link down below. But what this is doing is it's creating everything that we just created manually, but we can continually reuse this to create our components to save us so much time while we develop. So we have this code created. What we need to do is we need to create a script that we can use to run this file here. So we'll go to scripts in our package.json. Make sure you add a comma here, then enter, and this is going to be create component. And we want to run using node create component.cjs, which is going to be, again, our file here. Now we want to go ahead and open our terminal back up, use our command prompt here. And what we can do is we can use npm run create component. So we're basically running the script that we just created here. And then at the end of this, we can specify the name of our new component. So our name here is going to be navbar. Now, if we click enter, you guys will see that our new component is successfully created within our components folder right here. And we have our navbar.jsx and navbar.css. And it makes it much easier to create components this way. Now what we need to do is navigate back to our home.jsx file and actually import our navbar into our home component. And as I start typing out this element, you guys can see that we can click on this to import the correct navbar element like so, and make sure you close off your element. Now, if we open our client-side code, you guys will see that navbar is successfully displaying.
Tap here to see what happens next.